standard room, and then we got this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Good morning guys. Today we are leaving Akumal and we are heading to Cancun. It's about an hour by car and we will be spending a few days there as well. So we will be exploring the northern part of Yucatan Peninsula. And yeah, as you can see, Philip is already loading our stuff. So I'm gonna miss this place though. It was a really nice time that we spent here in this area. Bye bye. You ready? Oh, I'm gonna miss this colorful accommodation. But I'm looking forward for our Cancun adventure. So we park our car. We just arrived here in Cancun and our check-in time in our hotel is at 3 p.m. and it's just 10 in the morning, so we decided to stay here. So beautiful here. Look at the water, guys. So incredible. So yeah, we'll be just staying here until our check-in time. We'll go down there. We paid peso for the whole day at the parking. This area here is for public access, so it's all for free. Except if you have a car, then you have to pay for the parking, which it's not really that expensive. Can't wait to get into the water, guys. It's so beautiful. It's just that the waves are a bit stronger today. It's a bit windy as well. crowded now, so we decided to leave. And then we also gonna check this. I think there's a viewpoint somewhere there, so we're gonna go first to our car and put our stuffs there, and then we're gonna like explore a bit around this area. Corner that has Cancun, and unfortunately I'm so impatient waiting in line. It's about 13 kilometers from here, and I'm quite excited how it looks like there, since it's a hotel zone. It's more quieter, less crowded, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. Agave muna. Let's cool down.
You bored?
Sie sind angekommen.
Room number
2807.
2807. So we're here at our hotel, guys. It's kind of big. Wow. Oh. So here's the pool area. And then we also have a direct access to the beach. Of course, you have to wear mask within the premises. Love it here, honey. Yeah, the give of Cancun board.mark. What is this? There are some art shops.
You have like a bra. You know what you should do?
I'm excited to see the room. Oh my goodness. What is this, Huneg? This is so big. Did you book it extra? This is so big, guys. I'm surprised. Oh my god. What do we have here? We have bathtub. And then we have, oh, a queen size bed. Oh my god, this is so nice. We have a full kitchen. And then a living room. It seems like it's a presidential suite, Huneg. What you did. So I'm gonna be showing you the best part is here. God! Huneg has to check the draußen. It's so nice. Guys, it's so nice here. I love the view. And the funny thing is we didn't book extra for this. We just booked for a standard room and then we got this. So we're so lucky. This is our lucky day, Huneg. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And that there, it's a lagoon. It's a very big lagoon. And here on the other side, it's our direct access to the beach. Guys, we are going out now to check the place. We also gonna grab some food because we haven't had breakfast yet and it's already 5 in the afternoon. So I don't know how it's called. Maybe it's not brunch anymore. It's brunch. Right? Oh my god, this is so huge here. And this is the first time that we're dressing up like a decent person. Nice. Look how fine the sand is.
It's good.
I love it. Was?
Right.
Nice. We are outside our hotel. We want to check the surroundings because there might be a lot of restaurants over there. Over there. Yes. Look at this hotel, guys. It's so cool. And it has pool up there. Nice. So we are basically in the part of Cancun that's a bit quieter. And then I don't know which direction is this, but there's also a part where it's a bit busier and it's more of like, you know, party people are going there. And yeah, so since we are oldies, we want to just like relax and we just want to chill and relax. Who has this?
Yeah. Also,
What? You're so
sandy.
sandy. I'm also sandy. I have so many sands here on my head. I need a real shower later. There's another resort. Look how tall it is. So you can go up there and you have to pay $20 per person. We are not sure yet if we want to go up there. $20 is also quite expensive, and we've been spending a lot already for our like tickets from different water parks. So let's see. Nice, colorful, really nice pirate boat. I think that's a bar. I think so. They're already setting up their band. Love it. So my husband as a photographer. So nice. So there's a Hardin on the other side. We want to check it out, but we're a bit afraid to cross the street. Nobody is giving way. Are you ready? Come. So finally we have to oh my god. So busy. One more to go. One more. Okay. Good. Side down. So where's the entrance? Einfach rein. Oh, okay. So it's a lagoon, right? There might be a crocodiles here. So there's a lot of mangroves on the other side. One shot of piña colada while waiting for our order, and then waiting for the sunset. And it has some avocados. Top. So the party boats just started.